Welcome back to the Aiming for My Best Self channel. I'm Vladimir Ioan, and I'm excited to present the latest episode in our art vlogging series. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the process of creating mountainous terrain from scratch using GeoGen, an advanced, node-based software developed by JangaFX. GeoGen is an incredibly powerful tool designed for game developers and digital artists, offering unparalleled flexibility and precision in landscape creation. JangaFX, the company behind GeoGen, also provides a suite of other robust tools for real-time visual effects creation. These include EmerGen for real-time fluid simulations such as smoke and fire, LeakyGen for real-time liquid simulations, and VectorAGen, which generates vector fields for advanced particle motion in games. Each tool is crafted to empower artists and developers to produce high-quality visual effects swiftly and efficiently, establishing JangaFX as a significant player in the industry. GeoGen's node-based system allows for a highly customizable workflow, enabling you to experiment and refine every aspect of your terrain. If you're interested in exploring GeoGen yourself, there's a 14-day free trial available. Check the description below for the download link. In the realm of landscape creation, GeoGen competes with other leading tools such as PlanetSide TerraGen, Gea, World Creator, World Machine, and Eon View, as well as numerous plugins for Blender. While each of these has its own strengths, GeoGen's node-based similar to QuadSpinner Gea approach offers a unique blend of power and ease of use, making it a nice choice for many professionals. As we move through this time-lapse, I'll highlight the key steps involved in creating the terrain. If there's a specific technique you'd like more details on, feel free to leave a comment with the timestamp, and I'll consider creating a detailed tutorial based on the feedback and likes it receives. For those who want to see the entire creation process in real time, without any background music or additional commentary, and with full mouse and keyboard actions visible, be sure to visit my Patreon. For just €1 per month, you can access the raw footage, with additional subscription tiers available depending on your interests. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel to stay updated on future episodes, and share your thoughts or suggestions for upcoming content in the comments. I look forward to connecting with you there and on Patreon, where we can delve even deeper into the creative process together. Wow! We've reached the end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. This helps us grow the channel and learn more together. Have a wonderful day!